Next video was on after you use your easy advanced settings. As you can see there, you've been shown how to set up in my past videos. Maintenance. You go to there, programs, come down, maintenance tool, click onto it. It'll come up saying that first time you want to continue. Okay, all these will come up. Just come across to general maintenance, click onto it. Do not need to use clear cache, it's a myth. As been told by Tony and everybody else. Just go to, it can erase logs if you want, but there won't be much in there. Per packages, go into that. Click OK. As you can see, I've got 32 files. That's because I got a bit of shit from the last time I installed Kodi. Press yes, get rid of them. All packages done. Erase logs as well while I'm at it. Done. So all you need to do, come back off. Next place you need to do, go to system, come down, settings, click onto it, go to video, click onto that. Make sure the button's on expert again. Sometimes you don't miss it out. Go back to library, go right and come down. Where you see clean library there, click onto it. Clean library, yes. So all the shit goes as well. Mine's just been done, so there's nothing in it. Go left, and I think that's it. Oh, yeah. Back out to that one. Go down to music. If you play music on your system, you got one in there as well, as you can see. Clear music, yes. I had a bit in there. Back out of that. Pictures, I think you got one in there as well. No UA, okay. That done. Back to the main screen. That's your maintenance done.